Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing and setup of the Mi TV stick which was launched in India recently for a price of 2800. 2799 is the pricing. This is a product which can make your older TV which are not Android TV to an Android TV using the Mi stick. So this is quite similar to the Mi TV box which we reviewed previously on this channel. So this is a kind of smaller version. This supports only full HD. The Mi TV box has 4K support. Now it has all the apps included. You can see that YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Video, Z5, Sun Next, Spotify, Jio Cinema, Hungama Play, all those apps are supported here. Now it's a very simple setup. You can see here 3-step installation and process. It has a 64-bit quad core CPU, and DTS 2.0 digital output is also included. You can connect to any speaker using the DTS output. There is Chromecast built-in and Google Assistant since it is having the Android TV out of the box. This is priced 2799, and it has the HDMI port. You can see here, attach Mi TV stick to the TV and connect to the internet, and full HD streaming you can do. Now the only requirement for your existing TV is that it should have an HDMI port. That's the only requirement. You can even connect to any monitor and make it an Android TV using this stick. So this has the latest version of Android, the Android 9.0 for TV. Now let's quickly do an unboxing. So let's just open this box and I will show you what all comes inside the box, and then we'll go ahead and show you the installation. So opening up the box, you can see that this is the Mi stick. So let's just take this out. So this is the Mi stick, and you can see it's a very small item. So you can see that it just has a charging port, and this is the HDMI port included. This you have to pin it to the TV. So right now we have a Thomson TV. It's a very old TV actually. In fact, this is not having an Android TV. So we are going to convert this TV into an Android TV with this Mi stick. And apart from that, you also get a remote included. The standard Mi remote is included. So there you go. So that's the standard Mi remote which is included the box package. So you can see here the standard Mi remote with the Netflix and Prime Video support, and channel navigation, and all those things are included. Then you have this adapter, the standard adapter for the stick, and you also get a cable included with this. So there you go. You can see this is the standard adapter, and the charging cable is included. It's a micro USB charging cable. So that's the box content. So let's now connect this, and then we'll show you how to set it up. So now we have just connected the Mi TV stick to the HDMI port. Now what you need to do is just select the HDMI port on your TV. Now remember, as a primary requirement, any TV or any display should have the HDMI port. That's the only requirement needed. Otherwise nothing else required for the Mi TV stick. Now now we are just pressing the remote. So what you need to do is just have your smartphone, and you can do the quick setup. You can see here, just type OK Google setup my device, and then it will show up this TV, and then just proceed the setup. So very simple process. We'll just do that. So now the setup process is complete. Now just some minor terms and conditions and all those things. Now the Mi TV is set up. So the process is very simple. All you need to do is just connect it to the HDMI port, and then easy setup here with your smartphone. So you can see that these are the apps. If you want to install, you can go ahead with this. So these are the recommended apps. So if you want, you can just go ahead and install, or else you can just start using it. So there you go. You can install apps from the Play Store as well. So you can see here, this is the proper Android TV interface, and you can see that all the apps, you can see that these are the apps pre-installed. You can see that Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Google Play, and other options are included here. Now you can see that these are the apps and other options. So let's just go to the settings here. So there you go. You can see that now we are connected, and all the apps what are available here are included here. So you can see all the apps. So there you go. That's the Play Store. and you can install apps from this Play Store. This is basic apps, so you cannot go ahead and install all the apps because there is a restriction with the amount of space available. So if you look at the specs, so this has a quad core CPU. It's the GPU is the Mali 450 GPU, and then 1 GB RAM and 8 GB eMMC storage is included. So it's just 8 GB storage. So that means you can install only up to say 4 or 5 GB apps. So basic apps can be installed here, and it has Wi-Fi support. Bluetooth 4.2 is there. Then it has audio decoder as Dolby and DTS. So that means you can connect to any third-party speaker or via Bluetooth to this box, and then stream audio to another speaker. Then apart from that, the Mi TV stick has also the remote included with it. So it's a very simple process of installing. All you need to do have is an HDMI port. Just connect to the HDMI port, then set it as the primary TV, and you can get streaming on the Mi TV, any TV with the Mi TV. And now you can see that I can install apps on this device with the Mi TV stick. Previously that was not possible, and this was not a smart TV. Now I converted into a smart TV. So this is the Mi TV stick unboxing and hands-on and the setup process. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll share the link in the description of this video in case you plan to buy this device. 2799 is the pricing for this Mi TV stick, and available on Mi store as well as online stores. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.